Hello and welcome back to Mystery Systems. Today I'll show you that you can actually have a copy-paste history in your Windows 11. So normally when you copy-paste a thing, like so, let's say I'm just typing down all this, and then I'll copy this. Then I have only copied this, and if I copy something else, then this is not copied anymore. Then the new thing would be copied. So let's say I had this I would like to copy. Then that's the active thing. I can't go back to the other thing. But yes, you actually can do that by using a little shortcut here at Windows. You can press down your Windows button on your keyboard and press the V. Then this little clipboard comes on and you can turn this on by click turn on. Now it has a history of what you have copy pasted. And this is whatever you're zipping. So let's say you use your zipping tool, like I would like to take a screenshot of this. Then the screenshot would be in here, and if you press the Windows V button, screenshot will be saved. And the text as well. Let's say I want this text. I'll copy this, press V, and now it's in here. So you can always refer back to the things that you have copied. And it's a very useful thing if you copy paste a lot, because you can just go in here in the Windows V and you have the things that you have copied recently. So I hope this has been informative and has helped you. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye.